Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, The Crafty Closet. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do sublimation. So for this project, you're going to need some 100% polyester sublimation blanks. So you're going to need a white t-shirt. This is 100% polyester. You're also going to need a tote bag. You're going to need some sublimation paper. I am using the A-Sub brand sublimation paper. I really like this sublimation paper. It makes the prints come out really nice and bright. You're going to need some butcher paper, heat resistant tape, and of course your sublimation printer. This is the EcoTank 2803. I already showed you guys a video on how to convert your Epson printers into a sublimation printer. Want to learn how to do sublimation, but not sure if you want to do it yet? Have you tried sublimation and it's not working out for you? Then you know what you got to do. You got to stick around.
Okay, y'all, so let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to do is get our image together. Now we're going with the summer theme because the summer is coming and the weather's getting nice. So I got this image off of none other than design bundles. I've told you guys about design bundles before. You can get great images from them. I got this image for free. You get 10 credits a month to spend on different types of images, and all of those images you can only use with your credit. So this is going to be our tote. Now what I was going to do was just continue to minimize it, but that would take too long. So we're going to unlock our dimensions, and now I know for the most part it's going to be about 8 by 7, 8 by 7.5. Make sure you measure your tote. A lot of times, a lot of the totes usually are the same size, but either way, just make sure you measure it to make sure it fits on your tote correctly. Now, I chose this image because not only is it cute and it's very summer weather appropriate, you can use it for the beach, a picnic, anything. It was just cute. And I like the colors on it. I thought they would really pop on our tote. Now, we're not doing anything else with this. Once you measure it to fit your tote, that's all you need to do. So we have our first sublimation image ready. Remember, this is going to really press into your material and make it look like it's a part of the material, the ink, so to speak, for sublimation. Now, we're good to go with this. I don't need to do anything else. We are going to now put it on our tote. Y'all know I'm visual, and you have to see what you're working with before it's finished. So you're gonna go to your templates. You're gonna type in the word tote. Yes, they have a template tote. I know, so cool, right? So here we go. This is our tote for our template. Now, just like I showed you guys how to change the colors on your t-shirt, you can do the same thing with the tote. Now, here we go. So this is a little small. I'll make it bigger for you guys, but just to give you a general idea of what our tote is looking like. Our tote is a white bag. I'm going to change those colors for y'all in a second, but here we have it. Lines up nice and perfect, and it's looking really cute. I like it, and I think this is a great introduction to getting you started with sublimation. So now, I'm going to go ahead and change the colors for you guys so you can see. Now we have our color here. Now, if our tote was a different color, we could change it to anything it is, just so you could get an actual visual of what it's going to look like. So that's cute. And that's also cute. If it was pink or if it was gray, that's cute too. But it's just white. So here we go. This is what our tote looks like in its entirety. So now we're finished with this. That's it, y'all. This is your first sublimation project done. I'm going to save this because I'm going to do the t-shirt next. And I'm going to do it as two separate two separate pages so that it doesn't get confusing. But we're using the same exact concept. So we save that. And now we are going into our second project, which is the Sublimation T-shirt. So we're going to just start a new canvas. Same thing. I'm going to go to upload. Again, this image I also got from Design Bundles for free. So we're going to go on here and there we go. Now, summer vibes, y'all. Who don't like summer vibes? Here we go. So now we have summer vibes. Again, for some reason, these images load really large on the canvas, but we're just going to go ahead and, minimize it and make it right so it will fit our t-shirt appropriately. Same thing. Instead of minimizing it all the way down, unlock your dimensions and bring it to a comfortable dimension that you can play with. So we're going to start with, oops, my fault. We're going to start with, I'm probably going to start with like a 9 and then work my way down from that. Now, let's see. Let's bring this down just a bit. And it's really cute, right? Again, I chose it because the colors were, again, really vibrant. Now, here we go. Okay, I didn't unlock this one this time. I just, brought it into the right size. So I'm going with 9 and some change by 5. Now, remember, Print and Cut gave us a bigger print option. So this is great. We can make it bigger than what it actually is because we used to be limited to that 8 point something for the Print and Cut. Remember, Sublimation is a Print and Cut. So now, I like this. I'm just going to play around with it a little bit just to get it, looking perfect to my eyes. Okay. Yes, she's looking good. That's what I said at about 9 and 3. Next, we're going to put it on a t-shirt. You guys know, I always like to see what it's going to look like. So remember, it's a print and cut. If you change it to a basic cut, then this is exactly what it's going to give you, which is, kind of like a offset to the actual color of your project, the actual print and cut of your project. So let's just change it back to print and cut. Okay, I'm tripping with print and cut. Why am I not able to change it back? What am I? Oh my goodness. It's right there. I should have put my glasses on when I was doing this for y'all. All right, so let's go back and change it again to, it's going to revert. Yep, it's giving us back our original artwork, which is here. And now we're just going to go ahead and put it on a shirt. Now, let's see. Again, go to templates, go to t-shirts, and here we go. Our t-shirt is white. I'm going to put this on the shirt and just see what it gives. Let me just move this over. Let me just change my, okay, let me change my shirt. Click here to highlight the shirt, just the shirt portion. Yeah. Okay, so we highlighted the shirt portion. So woman short sleeve. It is a medium shirt. And the shirt is white, so no need to change the color. No, not even going to play around with the colors on this for y'all. There you go. Summer vibes, y'all. Summer vibes. That's it. So stick around because I'm going to then pop a little quick video in here to show you about when you are sending this to your printer. Make sure you use your print preferences and what paper to set, how to set the quality of your paper on your EcoTank printer so you can get the best and most positive, bright color for your sublimation. So y'all make sure you stick around. I'm just going to show you really quick. You see the bigger option for print and cut, how the registration marks are just a lot wider where that tracing is at. So yeah, there you go. We're doing a bigger print and cut, and y'all make sure you stick around to the end. I appreciate you for watching, and don't forget, I'm going to put those printer settings in here after this. Stay tuned. I appreciate y'all. Okay, y'all, so let's get into these printer settings real quick. So once we are ready to go ahead and print our sublimation, we're going to hit make it, and then we are going to change the printer settings so that we get the best, most vibrant color possible. Now, first thing you're going to do after it loads on your mat is you're going to hit the mirror. Make sure you mirror your project so this way you know once you press it, it'll come out the right way. Next, we're going to go ahead and hit a continue, and now I'm going to go and send to printer. Now, this is the most important part, y'all. You're going to make sure that after you prick your printer, if you have several, you're going to turn off your bleed. You're going to turn on your system dialog. This is actually your printer preferences. You'll be able to go in and change what you need to change. You're going to then click print. After you click print, you are going to then, let's give it a second to wind up.